some of the big names on its radar. Glencore at Strata, Rio Tinto and BHP Billiton. Rio also coming out with some solid production.
אוקיי, משפחה יקרה, אנחנו מקליטים את מוישי סוגר את הבורסה. מקווה שההקלטה תצלח, ובאמת נראה את מוישי סוגר את הבורסה, את השוק הגדול ולא את שוק מחנה יהודה.
It's Greek business, though. Elsewhere, Carrefour in France sliding 3.7%. The company said it had a slowdown in sales in Brazil in the final 3 months of 2013, as well as a sales decline in China. And that is the latest across European markets. Have a good evening.
No. מה? למה לא רואים את זה?
2.5 minutes left. Here's today's trading. Any more lately, it seems a lot of the action occurs in the morning, and then when the European markets close, we get this sideways action after that, and that's basically what happened. We were down 105 on the Dow in the morning session, and then this afternoon we've just gone sideways. We're down 67 points right now. The bad and the good today, show you some of the high-profile stocks. The earnings out from Goldman and Citi disappointed. Down today, we're down almost 2% on Goldman, down more than 4% on Citigroup, but Alcoa has been coming back, and one trader was telling me if it can close above $11 today, that might push it even higher, even after the disappointing earnings report from last week. And here it is up 4% today, and we are above $11, so keep an eye on Alcoa. So now we're watching for Intel and American Express after the close tonight. From Intel, they're expecting earnings of 52 cents on $13.7 billion. That stock's down a fraction. So is American Express. They're looking for a profit of $1.26 on $8.5 billion. Bob Pisani, we're down 2 days this week. We're up 2 days this week.
And you put up that Goldman Sachs and Citi chart again, because this is a very good example of the power of market cap weighted indexes. So Citigroup is a huge, huge stock that moves around the S&P 500. Goldman Sachs, these are two of the biggest stocks in the financial group, and because they're down so much today, they're dragging down the financial sector overall. Most of the other stocks aren't down nearly what those are down, and that's why we're seeing the financial stocks. This is just a good example of why market cap weighted indices, big stocks can move these indices around fairly easily. Other than that, fairly quiet day. VIX didn't move much. The volume is much lower than it was yesterday. That's a good technical sign. Lower volume, down days, higher volume, up days.
Horrible day for Best Buy. I didn't highlight that one, but they didn't miss by much, but their guidance isn't great, and that's a big problem for them as well.
If you put up some of the top 10 retailers, you would be shocked about the year-to-date declines. Most of them are now down double digits, and in fact, I looked at, there was a good 15 of them down double digits.
All right, Bob, thanks very much. We'll see you later. So, what'll it be? We're going to have a tiebreaker tomorrow after 2 big down days this week, 2 big up days. What happens on Friday? That'll probably be determined by the earnings coming out at the top of the hour from Intel and American Express. On the second hour, the closing bell with Kelly Evans. I'll see you tomorrow, Kelly.
Thank you, Bill, and here we go. Welcome to the closing bell. I'm Kelly Evans, and here's how we're finishing a tough day on Wall Street. Take a look across the major indexes with the Dow and the S&P in the red. The Nasdaq, though, managing to buck the trend. It's up about 3 points to 42.18. The Dow, though, shedding 62 points. 16,419 is the level there. The S&P off just a couple to 18.45. And we've got a couple of Dow components that are going to report any second now, Intel and American Express. So let's get